Science. As you can see by my hair, I've been up all night doing science. I have a coworker that claims that there isn't a scientific explanation for what happened, which we'll get to in a minute. But I say that science can prove me right. And that's what this blog is about today. Here's the scenario. You take mozzarella vegan cheese and you take cheddar vegan cheese. You put them together and it creates moldy cheese. My coworker says that this is not possible, but I say nay. Nay, I say. I can prove without a shadow of a doubt that combining these two cheeses together, or non-cheeses, for you non-vegan people out there, that it is perfectly possible for these two cheeses' molecular structures to create mold. Let me explain. The penetration of mold depends on the environment in which the cheese is being stored, as well as the density of the cheese. The harder the cheese, the more difficult it is for the mold to penetrate the cheese. With hard cheeses like Parmesan, Romano, Cheddar, which is one of the cheeses in question, Colby Swiss, and semi-soft cheeses like an Asiago or a Monterey Jack or a mozzarella, cheeses can usually be, the mold can be cut off of the cheese, and the cheese is okay to eat. Therefore, throwing out moldy cheese is not a very good idea because the cheese can just be scooped out of the cheese. There are plenty of charts and explanations which I will include in this blog right here. To prove my fact. After reviewing those charts, I think you will agree with me that there is no reason why there could not be mold on cheese and why it's not okay to serve it to people. I mean, there's nothing wrong with mold. Mold is how penicillin was made, and penicillin is good for you, so therefore, mold is good for you. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, guys, how you doing today? It is a ridiculous snowstorm outside. Not really sure how much snow we got so far, but it's just absolutely insane. Here's a picture of what it looks like outside of my front door. And I'm supposed to go to work in about 6 hours, and I don't think it's going to happen. I'm not really sure. I'm waiting for them to call me and tell me not to come in, which I hope is what happens, because I really don't feel like driving today. It's just absolutely insane. I noticed a bunch of people that were supposed to go in this morning called out and said, there's no way in hell I'm driving, so it's kind of how I feel, even though it'll be later in the afternoon. It'll still be kind of insane to drive, and I really don't want to. Other than that, I'm just chilling, having a good day. Not really much else going on today. I'm just going to relax and enjoy my snow day. Drinking some delicious coffee from the store. They're fantastic. And that's about it. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Fluffy bunnies.